Welcome back to CIEgroup.com. I'm Chris, and today we're taking a look at the Akuvox R28 Professional IP Intercom. The R28 is one of the most feature-rich of the Akuvox IP Intercom range and is ideally suited to multiple resident applications such as MDUs, apartment blocks and multi-tenant office blocks. This stylish IP intercom is IP65 rated, so can be located either indoors or outdoors at the main entrance and features a number of identification and call options for multi-user applications. So let's take a look at the Akuvox R28 in a little detail. Like many of the Akuvox intercom range, the R28 features a high-quality 2 megapixel wide-angle colour camera, together with adjacent LED lights for low-light improved picture quality. It features a 4.3-inch colour screen which displays simple user instructions on the home page and displays all contacts stored in the system's digital phone book. So in a residential MDU situation, we can scroll through the contact list to find and call whoever we're visiting. Or in a commercial application, we would expect to see a list of all tenant businesses, allowing us to call a company's reception desk to request entry to the building. Further down, we have an RFID card reader for contactless identification and access using RFID cards or keyfobs on either 13.56 MHz or 125 kHz frequencies. And below that, we have a standard numeric keypad for pin number entry. The R28 is available with surface mount or flush mount backbox and can be powered either via PoE or 12-volt power supply. This device also features a built-in group call facility, which allows the creation of ring groups within the intercom. So a group of endpoints such as IP phones, door panels, etc. can be called in sequence. For instance, if reception doesn't pick up the call first, the call might be transferred to the security office, then the concierge desk, and so on. As with all of the Akuvox IP intercom range, the R28 is fully compatible with Akuvox Cloud and the Akuvox Smart Plus app, allowing registered users to answer intercom calls and view the camera remotely from their smartphone, and even provide remote access to the building without needing to be at home.
Welcome, please come in.
The device is OMVIV Profile S compliant and streams RTSP and MJPEG video, all of which provides great support for integration with third-party CCTV systems and NVRs. Also featuring 3 output relays controlled by DTMF, 3 inputs for door release and vegan inputs and outputs, the Akuvox R28 is a stylish yet robust solution for multi-user intercom and access control, and is available now from CIEgroup.com.